Wow, it is bright. Okay, it's watering day. Nothing can go wrong. Please cross your fingers. Nothing is going to go wrong, Jack. Nothing. Repeat after me. You are not going to screw up watering your plants today. Good, looking good. No. Ah, good. Why? That's not what I wanted. Oh. Okay. Oh. My face. Time to water something else. Oh. Back and forth with the hose. Oh. Oh, man, no. Whoa. Oh. Man. Oh, that's not any better. That's not any better. This is not good. This is not good. Look at that. I could turn this off and I'm still sprinkling everything but my plants. Oh, man. That sucked. I'm done. Screw this. Screw this. Okay, how about watering houseplants? I could do that. That doesn't seem so bad. All right, bringing out some houseplants. Need to water. Wow, this is a long time. How many houseplants do I have? Okay, here we go. Okay, this has to get better. This has to. It's houseplants. How bad could it be? Just houseplants. Oh, okay. Going against wind, not a good idea. Some of my plants have been neglected like nobody's business. Oh my gosh. Whoa, is this water hot? Look at all those dead leaves. Jeez. I need you to live, okay? Survive. Oh, the hose is not long enough. Sugar. Damn. Oof. Could be worse. This could be worse. And the hose is too short. Ah, crap. Now what? We're gonna make it happen. Oh my gosh, I feel like a horrible plant mom. This is just awful. Finger heavy. Freaking great. I'm done. Damn it, I just broke my pot. What the heck has happened to you? Oh, you look awful. Just awful. Maybe you need sun. Maybe all of you need sun. That was a lot. I'm done with watering. Everybody's got watered. I got watered. Screw this. I'm done for today.